Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here let me go back, and here we have to scroll and then find the apps. Now let's tap on see all 95 apps, of course 95 in my case, you can have a different number, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap. Now let's tap on Reset App Preferences, and here our device will inform us what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.